In this video, I'll show you how to install FiveM Enhanced on your PC. The new enhanced version of GTA V is finally here, bringing improved graphics, better ray tracing, and smoother performance. Keep in mind that the original FiveM legacy version is still fully supported through the current FiveM client. However, if you want to play the enhanced edition of GTA V, you'll need to use the new, separate FiveM launcher. To get started, visit the official FiveM website and click on Download FiveM for GTA V Enhanced. If you're planning to host your own enhanced server, you'll also need to download the latest Cfx server binaries. You can find the download link in the video description. After downloading the launcher, open it. You can choose a custom installation location for the launcher and game cache, create a desktop shortcut, and add a start menu entry if you want. Once you've selected your preferences, click Install. The launcher will now download and install the required files. This usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your internet speed. During the installation, it will also connect with the Rockstar Games launcher, which is now integrated with FiveM Enhanced. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.